Are you feeling tired, lazy, or unhealthy every day? Don't worry. Today, I'll share 5 simple health tips that can change your life. Watch till the end. Your body becomes what you eat. Add fruits, vegetables, and homemade food to your daily diet. Avoid too much junk food. It slowly damages your health. Water is life. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily to keep your body detoxed, skin glowing, and digestion strong. You don't need a gym. Just 30 minutes of walking, stretching, or light exercise can boost your energy and mental health. Lack of sleep causes stress, weight gain, and weak immunity. Sleep 7 to 8 hours daily and try to sleep early. Health is not only physical, it's mental. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or spend time with positive people. To remember, small daily habits create big health results. Consistency